With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Let's start with this question. What the question says, following crystal lattice has the minimum empty space. Now we have to compare the empty space. We name this empty space also as void fraction. Void fraction. Now we have to find which of the following crystal lattice has the minimum void fraction. Now we are given option as simple cubic, body centered cubic, face centered cubic, and simple tetragonal. Now firstly, in case of simple cubic, if we notice, in case of simple cubic, there are atoms present at the corners. We know that there are 8 corners of the cube, so there are 8 atoms associated with the corner, and we know the contribution of each corner is 1 by 8. So the number of atoms per unit cell is equals to 1 in case of simple cubic. Now the packing fraction or the volume occupied by the particles, packing fraction, which is the volume occupied by these particles or atoms in this cubic unit cell, is equal to 52.4%. Now we have to compare the void fraction. So void fraction will be the remaining fraction, that is 47.6%. So this is the void fraction or empty space in case of simple cubic. Now in case of BCC or body centered cubic, the atoms are present at the corners and 1 atom is present at the body center. And similarly, the contribution of one corner is 1 by 8, so it will be plus the contribution of one body center is 1 only, so it will be 2. So number of atoms present in per unit cell of BCC is 2. If we calculate the packing fraction or the volume occupied by the particles or atoms in this type of unit cell, so it will be equal to 68%. And we have to find the empty space, that is the void fraction, which will be equal to 32% in case of BCC. Now in case of FCC, in type of FCC, that is face centered cubic, it has atoms associated at the corners plus at the face centers. Now there are 8 atoms associated with the corners, plus there are 6 faces, so there are 6 atoms associated with the face centers, and the contribution of each is 1 by 2, so it will have 4 atoms per unit cell of FCC. If we calculate the void fraction in case of FCC, the packing fraction in case of FCC is 76%, and void fraction will be the remaining one, void fraction will be the remaining one, that is 20. Packing fraction is 74% and void fraction is 26%. This is of FCC. Now in case of simple tetragonal, this is also a BCC type structure and it has packing fraction of 69.7%, and the void fraction will be the remaining, that is 30.3%. Now out of these 4, we can see that void fraction of FCC is minimum, so the answer will be C, face centered cubic. Thank you so much.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.